calling this meeting so that you will know what our department under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is going to do, and that is going to be started from 14th of December, that is coming Monday. Time is very short. We have to train all our ASHAs, all the sector MOs, and Anganwadi workers, our supervisors, who comprises of our MPWs, SI, LHV, LHS, BEE, so many of us. So there's a lot of work, and because of COVID, we were supposed to do this in the month of March, but because of COVID, it was postponed. Now we are told to start from 14th of December. So this tetanus and adult diphtheria, this is not new. This is going on in 133 countries already. And we have been vaccinating the children against this tetanus and diphtheria for many years. It is not new. But हम लोग जो diphtheria vaccine बोलने वाला था, we were giving till 5 years of age only. We started giving from 1.5 months, 3 doses. Then again at the age of 16 months to 24 months में एक dose देता है against diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis. Then again at the age of 5 years, we are giving another booster dose. So that was what we are giving, and we are giving tetanus, diphtheria and pertussis against till 5 years of age. After that, at 10 years and 16 years, we were vaccinating against tetanus only. Okay. Then on a survey, it is lab supported, it was found that 79%, more than 70% of cases of diphtheria were found in above 5 years and 10 years old. Okay. So though the children were vaccinated against diphtheria till 5 years old, outbreaks का वो lab study करा, वहाँ में it was found that maximum of the cases, more than 70% of the cases in the outbreak were above 5 years and 10 years of age. So that's why government with the WHO and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, they have suggested that we should go for 10 years and 16 years also, not covering against only tetanus, but we should cover them against diphtheria also. So why the need is there? It's because 5 years के बाद में जो वैक्सीन देता है उसका protection to it wanes, माने कम होती है. So it was not enough to protect the children against diphtheria in 10 years and 15 years old and 16 years old. So the government have decided that we have to do in a campaign mode, irrespective of the previous vaccination status. Again, we were giving only tetanus to pregnant mother also, not diphtheria. But since last year, April 2013, we are giving TD. This one, not TD, that is tetanus and diphtheria. Tetanus and diphtheria. We are protecting the mother against neonatal, tetanus, maternal, tetanus and diphtheria also in order to give them protection. So every pregnant woman, we are no longer giving tetanus, we are giving tetanus, diphtheria vaccine. And now we are going to cover even the children of 10 years and 16 years by giving tetanus and diphtheria. So that's why we are calling you all with the request that as much as possible in your capacity to let the people know what program is going on. Why we are going to give tetanus and diphtheria to 10 years and 16 years. Of course, we were giving TT 10 years, TT 16 years, routine immunization, universal immunization program में हम लोग देते हैं. Now this diphtheria is incorporated and it is already given since last year. So it is nothing new now, everyone is getting, but we want to protect all of them because जितना diphtheria case मिला था, more than 60% were found in those children who were unvaccinated. जो वैक्सीन नहीं मिला उन लोगों के diphtheria ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हुआ है. So now it's the government's motive that we should vaccinate all the children against diphtheria and tetanus in 16 years and 10 years old. So it is my honest request that you will give a wide publicity to this. And we are rolling out this campaign from 14th of December till 3 weeks. We will be doing this. We have 12 days of activity days for doing this. Because we cannot do on Wednesday. Wednesday is kept for our routine immunization. Every sub-center, every ANMs will be doing their own normal duty will be there, but this campaign will be excluding government holidays and routine immunization days. We will be doing it. 12 activity days we are having, and in our district we are having around 1,059 session sites. We are having around 800 villages, 627. This may not be correct, but according to our record, we are having 627 villages. We are given 1,059 session sites, because in some village, like in the town area, one village में एक दिन में नहीं होता. We need to go 2 times. So total में we are having 1,059 villages, and we are going to vaccinate 8,683 children of 10 years and 16 years old. And we are having difficult area, like every area is not same. We are having 183 most difficult villages. So we have made a plan to reach each and every villages. Even if there is one children also to vaccinate, we are going to reach every villages. The most difficult village like in Dunglo and that side, Umrangso side, and every village we will be reaching with this campaign. So it is our appeal to the people of Dima Hasao to go along with the world, to go along with the nation, in order to protect our children against this dreaded disease, which is very almost 100% fatal if not treated. So it is a request to all the parents to send their children wherever immunization session site is held. The date will be given by the health workers, on which day they will go, at what time, where is the session site, the community hall, the Gagura's house, or the school, or the sub-center, whatever the worker has made the plan. I cannot share all those, there is no time for that. So it is an honest request that people will come forward and accept this. And I just want to share with you all from our DIO, District Immunization Officer, what are the clinical signs and symptoms of tetanus and diphtheria. Why it is so dreaded, why it is so dangerous for us, why we need to protect ourselves against this. Now, in short, our District Immunization Officer, she will talk about the clinical signs and symptoms of tetanus and diphtheria.
Awareness ke liye na.
Hi, well,
So if you
yeah.
better give the